Today's video, I'm using this stamp from Blue Fern Studios, pages or this page from Holidays in Snow from Craft O'Clock, some Distress ink, some other ink. Actually, we ended up not using that. Washi and glue, and so stay tuned for the project. This is for the game at Spectrum Art Creations, and it is my Blue Fern Studios product item. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have a stamp from Blue Fern Studios. It is this beautiful teacup, and I am going to go ahead and put that on here. The stamp set is called Sweet Valentine because it also has a beautiful Valentine postcard. But I am probably also going to use this either in here or in, I think I'll use this in my Just Junk journal. So I'm going to put that behind me, and look, I can use the pocket as well. I don't usually keep my stamps. Okay, so I want to make sure that I'm going to be able to fit that on here. Okay, so we'll have to open it up. We'll take it off. I got this from Spectrum Art Studios, just like the Craft O'Clock that I'm making the journal out of. So we are making a pocket out of this. It's actually going to be able to go in the center of the signature. So let's see. Okay, we're going to want a blue. I have this one, this periwinkle one. Let's go ahead and clean that. This is an archival ink. Now I'm probably going to wish I had used the little like misty thing. Let's see if we like this color better. We'll start by going in from the center. Ooh. Ooh la la. You know what we could do? You know what we could do? We could do a tattoo if I have any parchment paper nearby. But look at that. Look at that. Two things. It is its second stamp, and also I paid really close attention to that that inside. I don't remember where I got this stamp pad. Most of my stamp pads I have gotten from Spectrum Art Creations. Parchment. So I have sheets of the parchment on, I found that I might be able to use, sheets of parchment in the, I have it on a hanger. Big long sheets, and I can just rip a piece off when I need a piece. And so I like to do this when I don't want to ruin a page. Okay. Ooh, not so much. Not so much on that. I really like it on that. Maybe we'll just go ahead and we'll rip it from here. So this is the ink pad that I will use in this journal for the pieces. And I'm going to try and do a few of the things. Okay, so there's that. And the cool thing about it is, okay, let's wipe this off. Is I'll be able to see where it's going to fit on there. Okay, so there's that. If I put things back where they go right away, I'll be able to find them. Maybe. Okay, so it's going on here. It's going in this direction. And, okay, so like that. Like that. And I think we're going to need to distress it a little. And I think we'll introduce the brushed corduroy as our distressing color. I will be able to do embossing. I've got some beautiful navy blue embossing powder that I got from Spectrum Art Creations, so that will be cool as well. Okay, so this is the pocket that is going to go inside the center of the journal. Okay, and I think we'll go ahead, and I should have done this before but we'll just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so that's what we'll have. Or, we can put it on here and leave this open to be able to come off. I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so and look how pretty it looks even all the way through it. I think this would be gorgeous on one of the pages in there. Okay, so let's do that. We'll go ahead and put this on. Okay, so it's going to go on. It'll go in and we'll bind this, and then we'll be able to put the little flap under here and then put that over the flap. Okay, and then I think we will put T, right? T. QRS. I have a thing for the tea room, tearjerker, tea. Okay, we can just, it's on the outside one, so we can just grab it. Okay. Tea berry, wintergreen. Teach. TDD. Okay, there we go. That can go back up where we got it. Okay, so we're going to put this on here, and I'm just going to put it so that it's on that. So do you ever have things ready, to get things ready, but not quite finished. So like that, okay? I know I did get that one from Spectrum Art Creations. So, okay. Oh, darn. See if I can. Oh, well, I'll put something up there. But this one will flip up and I can put that down. Okay. I love that. And I was thinking, I've got olives. We have the black. Oh, here comes the wind. Okay. So yeah, I didn't have enough projects, so now I have a blue journal that we're working on. We'll have another one on January 18th. We'll be doing blue again using, and I might use some of the bird digital that I gave the Patreons for December. They got a bluebirds because I already did cardinals as so that was the winter bird, but it turned out really cool. It's it has a lace like the lace that I used in this journal. Okay, I was wondering if I could put that on the teacup. Nope, don't think so, but we can put it right here. Yeah, like that. Okay. We're going to put that right like that. Okay. So we'll have some black and some black. Okay. So what if we go ahead and, well, let's just dress this part with the blue. This is actually going to stick out. And I decided I didn't need that house, that I wanted to go more with the blues of this. And I do have all the pieces. I have more of all the pieces. So I can, you know, if I want to do one that's got the other colors, we'll be able to do that. It's got like the house and the Christmas stuff. This was one of their winter kits. So this journal is going to be available for sale when it is finished. So just a heads up. Okay, so there you go. That's going to give me that. And that, you know, I could go on the inside. There you go. That will solve all the problems. Oh yeah, I like it on the inside. Gives us a bigger pocket. Could maybe even put like a notebook in there. Yeah, so let's do that. We can go ahead and put this down. But you saw that you can go ahead and leave things like that so that you can do them, you know, put them down later. It would have worked perfectly fine. I don't know which one of these is which. I don't know how I ended up in the batch that doesn't have colors on the edge. Okay, but that's going to go in the center, and I think it's really, really cool. So using the new stamp And like I said, I think that stamp pad was from Spectrum Art Creation. I know this stamp pad was. I know this washi and this this paper pad that we're using. So this is some of the pieces of the paper pad. They're double-sided. And I have enough to do a second thing. But I did cut out different pieces to put inside the journal. We're going to be doing a traveler's notebook type list journal. And this is going to go in the center. Okay. And I may cut that down a little bit. I may not. I may put, I don't know. I may put lace on the edge, and let me know what you think. Should we cut that down? So that is my center pocket. I think we'll go ahead and just add a little paper clip to it for right now. Okay, so that was my brand new Blue Fern stamp. And we'll get the packaging. Holy moly. Okay. So, and this was for the Spectrum Art Creation game that they're doing while they're gone. And so my inks are from them, and I don't know if this one is or not. I don't know where I would have found it, so, but I know my glue is also, and the fun paper pad. Of course, I just cut up, yeah, Holidays in the Snow, and that's by Craft a Clock. Okay, so we'll put that under there for when I take the picture. So I put this in there too, huh? So look at all those things that I was able to use. How fun. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting up this, the paper pad, so that the pages or the pieces are ready for me to use, and I'll be using them along with a whole bunch of other things to make some fun things. So, yeah, so if you are working on your Dear Julie Julie Just Junk Journal Challenge, don't forget that you need to use at least 8 pages of digitals, and those are available in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop, or you can find some of the free ones in the Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Julie Facebook group in the files section, and then there's also some at buymeacoffee.com/DearJulieJulie. Another thing, if you're new here, I just want to make sure that you know that we have a premiere every day at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time. We have a live chat. It's a lot of fun. We'd love to have you join us. Come on over, say hello, and I look forward to meeting you. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.